Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about the lambda function in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, by the end of this video, you will be able to create your own custom reusable formulas without using VBA. And you can use these customized functions throughout the workbook. Now this is the syntax of lambda function. The parameters are the optional values which you want to pass to your custom function, and you can enter up to 253 parameters. The calculation is the last argument and it's mandatory, and it contains a formula which you want to execute. Let me show you how to use lambda function with a simple example. In this example, we will create a function to calculate the cube of a number. To do this, we will follow 4 simple steps. First, we should check the formula which we will use in calculation parameter. To calculate the cube of 2, type equals to 2 caret operator 3, press enter. The output is 8, which is cube of 2. Now to create the lambda function in Excel, after equals to sign, type lambda, open parenthesis. Now to calculate the cube, we need a number, so only one parameter is required. Type a variable name, for example x, comma. In the calculation part, replace 2 by x, closing parenthesis. Now if you press enter, it will give hash calc error. So to generate the result after lambda function, type 2 within parenthesis and press enter. The function will show cube of 2, which is 8. The lambda function is working fine, so copy the lambda function without parameter values. After finalizing the lambda function, the next step is to add the function in name manager. Select formulas, select name manager, click new button. It will open new name dialog box. Enter name for lambda function in name field. Here I am using cube me. The default scope is workbook, but you can select the individual sheet if required. Add brief description about the formula in comment field. This comment will appear as a tooltip when you type the formula in Excel. In refers to field, paste the lambda function. Remember, you don't have to pass any parameter value here. Click OK. The name manager dialog box will show the function name and the corresponding lambda function used. Click close button. Now to use the created custom function, type equals to sign and the function name. Excel will show the function name, and after selecting the CubeMe function, it will show the comments as tooltip. Opening parenthesis, type 2, closing parenthesis, press enter, it will show the cube of 2. In lambda function, you can pass the cell range also as a parameter. So in this table, in cell E2, type equals to cube me, open parenthesis, select cell D2 to D21 and press enter. All the cells will show the cube of the given numbers. In this example, we would like to create a custom formula to calculate the body mass index. The formula or calculation needs two parameters, weight in kilogram and height in meter. So the first step is to test the calculation. So we will check BMI for given weight and height. In cell B8, type equals to, select cell B2 for weight, type division operator, select cell B3 for height, caret sign and 2. Press enter, it will show BMI value. Now to round the value to a single digit, we will use round function. So type round around the function, comma 1, closing parenthesis, press enter. The result is BMI value rounded to one digit. The next step is to create the lambda in Excel. So after equals to sign, type lambda, opening parenthesis. For BMI, we need two parameters, weight and height. So type weight, comma, height, comma. Now in calculation part, replace the cell references by parameter weight and height, closing parenthesis. Now to test the lambda function, type opening parenthesis 75, 1.75 meter height, closing parenthesis, and press enter. It will show the BMI value. So the lambda function is ready. Copy the lambda function without the parameter values. The next step is to add lambda function to name manager. Select formulas, select name manager, click new button, enter custom function name BMI. In comment section, type a message for tooltip. In refers to field, paste the lambda function. Click OK. Click close button. Now in Excel, type equals to BMI, open parenthesis, select cell B2 for weight, comma, select cell B3 for height, press enter. It will show the BMI for selected weight and height. Now change the weight or height and the function will show the corresponding BMI value. Similarly, we can show the BMI results like underweight, normal, overweight or obese as shown in the picture. To create the calculation part, I have used the combination of let and if statement. So in this formula, we have created a variable BMI and the value is given in the second parameter. In third parameter, we have used if statement to show the BMI result based on the calculated BMI value. Now to create the lambda function, after equals to sign, type lambda, opening parenthesis. Required parameters are weight and height. So type weight, comma, height, comma, and in the calculation part, change the cell reference B2 and B3 to weight and height respectively. Closing parenthesis after the end of the formula. Now to test the lambda function, type opening parenthesis 100, 1.75 closing parenthesis and press enter. The BMI result is displayed. Now copy the lambda function without parameters. The next step is to add lambda function to name manager. Select formulas, select name manager, click new button, enter custom function name BMI result. In comment section, type any message for tooltip like it will show health status. In refers to field, paste the lambda function. Click OK. Click close button. Now in Excel, type equals to BMI result, opening parenthesis 120, 1.75, closing parenthesis and press enter. It will show the BMI result. You can also use cell reference B2 and B3 for weight and height. Now if you change the weight and height in B2 and B3 cell, it will show the corresponding BMI results. Let's check another example where tax slabs are given and we would like to calculate the tax of the given income. So first we will create the formula for the calculation part. In cell B3, type the required formula. I have copied the ifs formula based on the given tax slabs. The next step is to create the lambda in Excel. So after equals to sign, type lambda opening parenthesis. For text calculation, only one parameter is required. So type income, comma. Now in the calculation part, replace the cell reference B2 by parameter income. Closing parenthesis after the formula. Now to test the lambda function, type opening parenthesis 4.5 million and closing parenthesis and press enter. It will show the text to pay. So the lambda function is ready. Copy the lambda function without parameters. The next step is to add lambda function to name manager. Select formulas, select name manager, click new button, enter custom function name text to pay in name field. Add comments for tooltip. For example, it will show the total text to pay. In refers to field, paste the lambda function. Click OK, click close button. Now in cell B3, type equals to text to pay, opening parenthesis, select cell B2 and press enter. It will show the text amount for the given income in cell B2. So that's how you can create your own custom reusable function in Excel. If you need to make any change, you just need to change the formula in name manager and automatically the values will be changed. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.